Okay, so if you want to get access to the brand new DALL-E 3 completely for free, then keep watching the video. So this is actually an official method that OpenAI has allowed in collaboration with Microsoft. So as you might know, Microsoft has also created some of its chat and AI services as, for example, we have Bing AI here. And they have also been working on image generation AI with the power of DALL-E and OpenAI technology. So when OpenAI released their brand new model called DALL-E 3, which can actually generate text quite well now, then the AI called Bing Image Creator, which is owned by Microsoft and is powered by DALL-E, actually got the latest update. So now you can go ahead and use DALL-E 3 for free with Bing Image Creator. So let me show you how you can do this. First of all, you just want to go ahead and search up Bing Image Creator and go ahead and click on this first link here. A link to the website will also be in the description. That will take you here, and you don't really have to write anything here. You just want to go ahead and click on join and create. From here, you're going to want to sign up into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, that's no problem. Just go ahead and click on create one, and it's just a completely simple and free process. After you have done that, you will be taken to this website right here, and here on top, you can actually just go ahead and write your prompt. And as you can see, I just typed in a prompt here, and it does take one of your... So as you can see, I just filled in a random prompt and it generated some image here. And as you can see, it does actually get the spelling pretty correct. In some of these, it's kind of wrong, but it works quite well. And I'm sure that apart from just the text being better, this is probably a much bigger model that works a lot better compared to DALL-E 2. And it does take up one of your points right here on top, but you have 100 of them, and I don't really know what happens if you run out of them, but I'm pretty sure they refresh every day, so you're going to be able to generate 100 images for free every day. Oh, and if I just go ahead and hover it, it does say right here that you can still generate images. It will just take a bit longer. So you actually can generate as many images as you want. And as you can see, I told it to generate some Planet Som logos here. And these two, it kind of messed up. It didn't really get the text correct here. But here and on this image, it actually looks really, really good. As you can see here, it got the text completely right, and all the imagery behind it, it just looks really, really good in my opinion. Wow, and I clicked on the customize button there, and then I get taken to this, which just adds this logo into a different situations. And as you can see, it creates some really cool templates here. So yeah, this AI stuff with image generation is actually becoming really, really good. So yeah, go ahead and give this AI a try if you want, completely free by clicking the link in the description.